Okay, rolling in.
Maiba.
2, 1, go. Okay.
Alright.
What's up?
Walang chemistry.
Okay, wala talaga.
My childhood.
Trademark. Episode 8.
Welcome to episode 8.
The best yet.
Yeah.
Bakit episode 8 lang kami? Balitan nyo, episode 1 nyo kami.
Episode 8, episode late.
Yes, episode great.
Episode great.
Episode great.
We can already tell this is going to be quite an episode. This is episode 8 and we have a special... I know, again, welcome to...
Yes.
Balls Deep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you get?
How deep can you get? Balls Deep. Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to give a shout outs to today's guests. We have the amazing, the father of IHOW.
Tissue naman dyan, tissue.
It's Christian Lau, and we have the principal of School of Good Luck, Team Fresh, Team Rocket. Hey, we got James Wong. Hey, in the building. May ano na siya. Web.
Score.
So
The intro.
The intro.
Intro pa lang to.
I know. So,
Hello mga ka-balls deep.
quick lang tayo. Quick recap.
Ganun daw eh.
NC.
Sabi niya kanina.
Hello mga ka-balls deep.
So, quick intro lang tayo sa guests natin.
Million. Mga ganun siya.
Let's go toxic
Dahil may
na.
bumabagsak dito from the ceiling. Curtains.
Oo.
Okay. Quick recap lang tayo on for our guests. Our guests. Like parang, ano yung nangyayari sa inyo recently? What's happening with you guys in dance? Just generally, parang, although, kilala nyo naman sila.
Lalo na to.
Gang. Pero,
Makasabi ka naman, parang may kaso.
Parang masama yung
Lalo na to, may kaso to eh.
so for si Christian, actually, are we gonna go straight into it na?
What?
Ay, oo nga pala, and also si El, back as our, one of our guests, sit-in guests.
Mas pawis na siya.
Hindi pa gumagalaw yan.
Oo.
Partida yan, hindi gumagalaw.
AI lang to, AI. AI.
So Christian, in recently, what have you been up to sa
Wala.
dance?
Wala, ito lang,
Dance.
para mo nin.
Dance, career,
Labas-labas sa
life.
pigag count eh.
Wala, cruising.
Ikaw, ang daming edit nung ano na to.
So, nagtuturo na ako ngayon mga private classes with people. And then, supporting my kids sa mga ginagawa nila, mga dances sa IHOW, Imperial House of Acting Philippines. And then, just finishing something big na personal, ano ba sasabihin ko dito?
Ay, kahit ano.
Basta parang personal track sa life.
Track.
Yun.
Okay.
After nun, I'll be able to go back again to dancing. So medyo hinold ko muna talaga siya dahil sobrang
Bakit iiyak?
sobrang big life
Bakit iiyak?
journey kasi hindi mo kasi alam yung yung feeling kapag yung pag
Walang mahabol.
Wala kang makahabol ah. Hindi rin to great.
Super haba no episode na to with just random stuff. Okay.
So,
yan.
happily gotten back to dancing after a long time.
Si James naman, where are you at right now? What's been happening lately?
Lately, I've been coaching in Diog.
Shoutouts!
Sa Indayog.
UP Manila.
Sobrang saya. And private classes lang, the usual. And fathering my 2 kids.
Hey!
Being a parent.
Sino mas malakas? UP Indayog o UP?
Uy!
Ano yung...
Ouch! Ouch!
Sorry, hindi yung joke. Bobo lang siya.
Hindi kaya ako yun eh.
Tama.
Yun na yung sagot ko.
But to be serious.
Cut.
But to answer the question,
Hey!
So, curious ako kasi never ko nalaman. Ilang taon na ba kayo pala?
Wow!
Hindi kasi...
Ilang taon ka na?
Hindi ako feeling ko kasi magkakalapit tayo. Ako kasi 34 na ako.
oh man!
Grabe yung judgment ng taong with good genes, no?
Meron talaga yung jeans ko.
Wala na naman mo yung age niya dun sa joke na.
Tama. Wow!
Ay!
Sagutin mo na.
Oo, go.
35.
Wow! So magkalapit nga kaya. 35 deep.
Ikaw, James, ikaw ba?
28.
Totoo ba? Gogo, hindi Sorry, gullible eh. Sobrang gullible.
Sa age din eh. Nagulat din
Sorry.
How old do I look?
30,
Really old.
35?
36.
Oh, wow! Solid.
Ano yung hindi
OGs.
Oo.
Sobrang wala naman kinalaban yung comment na solid.
Hindi, OG.
Di ba?
Teka, podcast to. Walang one-liner.
Solid, umabot ka ng 36. Solid.
Podcast to. Walang one-liner.
Solid.
Solid.
Congrats to life.
Congrats to life. To
Ba't
being
ganun?
here.
Bakit ganun?
Hindi ko alam.
Wow.
Dating yun,
Bang.
Wala pa tayong 10 minutes, may maka-cancel na.
At saka wala pa ang topic na sa table eh, no?
Hindi, ito na
Dami
kasi
sa
papunta na doon yung topic eh. Kasi yung age, sinabi ni Reflex, OG. Ganun. So, do you consider yourselves OGs?
Ooh.
Siya, oo.
10 year. Uy.
Hindi, pero seryoso.
Let's define
Define
natin.
Yes.
For you.
Malalabas na word dito.
Ayan.
May tissue ka dito.
Thank you, man. Ay, hindi.
How deep can you get?
Yan.
It's not yet
Okay.
deep if it's not balls deep.
Uy. Straight down.
Oh, word, oh.
Okay, so ayan, OG.
OG.
What are the definitions that an OG can be defined? So, definitely, yung old school
Edit niya na.
OG, old gangster. Diba? Old gangster, parang ganun. Original old.
Ngayon,
No!
dati OG.
Original
No!
gangster.
Tapos
Original
ngayon, young
gangster.
na.
Yeah. Young Stara. Basta nilis ko. Ang conversation tonight ay ito lang.
Sorry, Titus, parang ang daming edit nito.
Sorry.
Wala edit.
Hindi, seryoso na.
So, one could be original gangster. Yun yung isang, which is yung isa sa mga root definitions of kung saan nanggaling yung mga first pioneers or creators talaga ng ibang dance styles. Tapos today, how do we define OG din? Sometimes, originators, pioneers. Oo.
Generation.
Tapos, generations din. People who've been there.
Pwede OG ng older generation or ng younger generation.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, contextually.
Oh,
Yeah.
kasi
contextually,
diba parang
oo.
si Slenderman tsaka si Jigoro. Somewhat like that.
Yeah, in 10 years. Ganyan.
Oo.
Di ba?
In the
Yung
next
generation
era.
namin.
Yeah. Ang
OGs
bilis ng
of
turnover
certain
ngayon.
years. Oo nga eh. Oo. Tama. Yun. So yung tanong was, si Christian, OG siya in a sense na actually, yung push ng,
Decision sila sa akin, no?
yung pag-push ng walking sa Philippines, big impact and big pioneer ang movement niya.
Yep.
Ano sasabihin mo hindi?
Yes, kinikilig.
I wouldn't say it dun. Kasi,
Ayaw.
Pero hindi, sige, enlighten us dun sa root and start. So sa walking, how would you describe
Paano ka naging OG?
okay. Ako kasi, hindi ko siya kinoconsider pa yung sarili ko. Although, at the back of my mind, same definition. Technically, parang ganun ako. Pero may narinig kasi ako before, na when someone called me like that, ang sabi nung itong person na to, hindi pa yan OG kasi bata pa yan. Para maging OG.
Before.
Before.
So now,
Yes. Kasi matanda ka na.
ka na.
De, pero yung context kasi, usually pag younger,
Sa akin siguro medyo ganun. Kasi yung walking community here started relatively young compared to others. So parang nag-start kasi yung walking community, wala pa naman talaga. May mga tao na nag-walking, but wala pa yung mga tao talagang, let's say, nagfo-focus on building the community for it. So, I mean,
TV shows, diba?
yeah,
TV
kasi
shows.
kahit nung time na nag-start tayo ng competition sa college level,
sketches.
it's the same level with everyone.
Somewhat
Getting introduced to that style also, to
eh.
whacking.
Parang an outline of what it
Yeah.
was.
So, kung tutusin mo, ang dami ng tao ding nag-wacking doon. But it's like, observed dance. It's not lived dance yet. Ito lang yung mga sayaw na nakikita nila from videos.
Yeah.
Walking in terms of just the steps.
Yes.
Parang categorize sa under fem, ganun, na parang
Ganon.
isang
Yeah.
umbrella lang before.
Exactly. So parang it's not yet as, it's only whacking as a series of movements.
Yes,
Yun.
But it's not yet whacking as a
Style.
community, as a culture, as having its own historical
As a style.
significance, yes, as a style na hindi pa siya rooted sa community
Yeah.
na pinanggagalingan.
Rooted.
So, ayun.
Deeply rooted.
And
Balls
Yes,
deeply.
balls deep.
siya yung
Rooted.
one of the, siya yung parang nag-introduce to the scene in terms, kasi siya yung seryoso dun sa style na yun.
Pag may event, sasabi ko, hey, punta po kayo. May brochure pala.
May question ako. May mga narinig ka na ba na tao na nag-claim na sila yung parang gano'n?
Sila yung nag-grab ng
Hindi naman
credit.
si Eldin eh. Parang gano'n.
Ginamit sa second name.
Aray ko.
Yes or no?
Meron ba?
Meron ba?
Meron.
Sino?
Sino?
Sige, repeat na lang natin to.
Hindi nyo kilala, di ba? Kasi unknown.
Hindi siya totoo.
Hindi nyo kilala kasi unknown.
Yung beat namin,
Hindi. Naka.
Pwedeng hindi niya kilala si Christian kasi young generation sila eh. But if they cared enough, I guess.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If they, any dancer who wants to dive deep into a certain dance style has to undoubtedly know the area that you're in.
Yeah.
As in local scene,
Yeah.
right? Like all of us did that. If hindi sila naka-dive doon hanggang let's say barangay or region lang nila, then yung medyo surface level lang understanding. Kasi if we talk about community and culture, by definition of community and culture has to be with community and culture. So you can know a lot about whacking from teachers abroad.
Yeah.
But, or even kahit sabihin natin direct from abroad. Pero yung community, culture,
Dito.
and being an OG of that, of course
Yeah.
you won't be, wala ka sa category of that.
So kung gusto mo siya i-call out mo na tapos i-battle natin ganyan.
Kinolot ko na yun.
Sabi ni Christian, name a place.
Name a place.
And you know what the place is? Dito sa Cash and Cocktails. Make sure you guys
Yes,
know.
branded steel. Hindi.
Balls
Hindi?
deep.
Ay!
Pero sa akin, I mean, okay naman siya natanong, di ba? But like,
Oh, no, true.
for me, it doesn't really matter that much sa akin kung tatawagin ako na OG or not. Kasi, it doesn't change the fact naman sa lahat ng nagawa ko na to build this whole thing. It's just a title for me. But, I know na historically, like sa local culture natin, local dance history natin, it matters. Kasi it's very important for us to recognize yung mga taong nagsimula. The same we recognize people who started the dance, who created the dance, who brought the dance here. So it's all important. Kasi it's very open to manipulation
Yep.
or positioning of people to position themselves in
Parang position.
places of authority.
Anong position?
Authority Authority.
Ah,
Ano yung position of authority?
Parang,
Ano pa yung variation niyan? Position of authority. Ano pa?
or yung,
May tanong naman ako
Hindi,
James.
okay.
Kasi
Go.
for, di ba,
Sa akin ba to?
napakita
Yes, go.
nagbabattle. Meron bang
Talaga
type?
ba?
Oo, Zerfy.
Oh.
Nanood ako Zerfy.
Okay.
Which Zerfy?
Oo nga eh.
2.
2.
Oo.
Wow.
Talo
Big
ako nun.
shift? Wow.
Talo ako ng student ko.
Saan gusto mo nun?
Locking.
Old school?
Pero anyway,
Oh.
may na-curious na ako. Bakit hindi ka na nag-join ng battles na?
Oo nga.
Yoko ni.
Kasi,
Ang ayos na kausap pa, kung ito ka namin dalawa yun.
Next question.
Okay.
Hindi, then sinabi ko naman sa lahat eh. Honestly, nagbabattle ako kasi it's exciting for me. I think nawala na yung excitement for me.
Kasi wala na magaling na kalaban.
kasi feeling mo magaling ka.
Wala magkakat nun.
Kasi feeling mo perfect ka.
Wala naman ako magaling. Hindi na kami magaling na Christian.
Siguro very emotional sa akin yung pag-battle kasi personally, hindi ako bumabattle to win.
Wow.
Pag nanalo ko, oh my gosh, nanalo ko.
Shout out sa mga battling to win dyan,
Like,
Like, hindi, for me lang, if it's not fun anymore, anything naman eh. Kasi medyo obsessive ako eh. So, if it's not fun for me anymore, hindi ko siya ipupursue.
Okay,
Parang
so
if I would,
to make it fun for you again, sino sa tingin mo yung worthy na kalaban mo?
pag nakalaban ko silang lahat, yung mga kabattle ko before.
Ooh.
Pero dapat 100 BPM max na lang.
Kasi nakakapagod na anything.
Oo.
Oo.
Tapos dapat no judgment, kunwari 10 seconds pa lang, stop na.
For them.
Kasi sinasabi mo, mas tuned yung katawan.
Hindi, honestly, until now, hinihintay ko yung moment na may mag-call out sa akin sa only rounds.
Na from our batch?
Per style ha.
Per
Pero
style.
so ano,
hindi. Just
parang
just anyone.
Standard si Jigo rin nag-away.
Pero
Gusto ko lang
mo ba
talaga.
siya, hindi mo ba naisip na like to battle for fun lang? Parang wala lang, parang trip ko lang ngayon eh.
Walang
Kasi
nadurugin
nagawa ko
lahat.
na siya before eh.
Gets.
So parang, and siguro parang very contextual din, parang ano yung, kunwari, ano yung what people are looking for right now to win. Parang, nagpunta kasi yung point na yung battling became every week. Tapos parang naging collection siya of certificates na lang. So parang, nung time kasi namin, yuck, old person comment. Nung time kasi namin, parang it was a reunion.
Tanda, di ba?
basically. So parang reunion ng mga, tapos imagine mo, idol ko All Stars, idol ko sina Jess, tapos makakabattle ko sila. Ibang feeling yun eh.
Tanda ko tuloy.
Oh, matanda na si Jess.
Sige. Since nandito pa tayo sa topic na to.
Sige.
Dream 7 to smoke battle. Kasama ka na, so 6 na lang in-name mo.
You mean
Si Jess.
7?
Oo, sa 7 to smoke.
Hindi.
8 yun.
pala, oo.
May hindi nag-math ha.
Sorry.
7 nga yung isa-smoke mo.
So ikaw yung
So,
pang-8.
Ikaw yung pang-8. So sino yung 7 na yan?
So,
Si Jess,
Dang.
yung isa,
Damn.
Inumin na to si
Masubo siya.
Christian.
si 1K,
Boom!
si Vince,
Si Vince.
Sino?
Vince.
Oh,
Vince, Kuya Vince.
Crazy Beans.
Si Lisa Makuha. Yun. Kasi yun talaga, hindi yun nagbabattle. So pwede mong i-dream
Oh my
makabattle yun.
Kaya
I don't
pag
think people
nakabattle mo,
even know.
Lisa nakuha.
Oh!
Bars.
Dad jokes, no?
Vince.
Teacher Jorcel.
Di ba lang? Okay, so...
Huwag ka naman tumawad.
Oo, pag natalo mo siya, sa'yo na yung G-Force.
Hey, J-Force na.
Gawin mo na J-Force.
Hey! J. Joseph. Hey, shoutouts.
Wala lang.
Wala, si J. Ikaw, si J. Joseph, di ba? Hey, J. Joseph,
Tag niyo
shoutouts.
siya dito.
Yung nag-worry for SB19.
Oo.
Uy, SB19, guess kayo dito. Get balls deep with us. Alright, si J. Joseph.
Shit, alam mo,
Anyway,
gusto ko, feeling ko, gusto mo makabattle mo.
4 pa.
Mama Joe.
Yun, si Mama
Boom.
Jo.
Tatlo.
Yes.
Tatlo pa.
Mama Jo.
Si Christian, ayaw mo talaga.
Asawa ni Papa
Hindi
Joe.
kasi sobrang feel ko mag-only rounds lang kami, maglolokan na
Oo.
kami.
Okay.
Matagal na namin siya
Sa
pinag-iisipan ni
mga
James.
bata, wala kang ano sa mga bata? O si Heavy Boogie?
Si Phil, di ba?
Palagi kong natatalo si Ian eh.
Casual lang,
Kaya
no?
nga eh.
Palagi ka
Sobrang
natalo si
palagi
Ian.
ka natatalo eh.
Pero
Parang
masaya si...
wala nang challenge.
Masaya kalaban si Ian.
Kasi natatalo ka niya, Ian. Yun yung sinasabi niya. Masaya kang kalaban kasi talo ka sa kanya lagi.
Hindi natin ikakat yun.
Hindi, pero honestly,
Para
pag,
si para si Heavy Boogie naman yung mag-explain.
yung mga sinasabi ko kasi pagka-battle ko sila, I don't care if I win eh. Yun yung ang sarap nung exchange eh.
Exchange talaga.
So you have 3 more. Popper. Apart from Vince.
Popper,
Si Prince.
halaban ko na si Prince eh.
Sino panalo?
Ako, tapos tinalo niya ako.
Oh.
Pero
So
dapat,
pwede nyo i-settle
Hindi,
yung score.
pero dapat talo na siya eh. Ito lang, context ha. Natalo ko na siya. Hindi, itong battle na to, natalo ko na siya.
Kailan to?
Battle City.
Battle City?
Battle City, natalo ko siya sa locking. Nashock ako, oh my gosh, talo ko si Prince. Tapos kulang sila ng battlers. Pinasok siya ulit as wildcard.
Tapos natalo ka.
Tapos tinalo niya ako.
Boom.
O sa mga big so sino pa? So ano, gusto mong i-settle
So, hindi
yung
ka
score?
sa Vince?
Or
Okay.
okay, hindi pa rin.
So 3-3.
Sana nagpa-text boots ka para pumasok ako.
Sino ba?
Guys, pwedeng ibang
Sino ba?
topic na. Baka ma-delay ito masyado eh.
Sige, sige yan. So,
May question ako kay ano, paano ka napunta sa Pigan?
Oo nga.
Wala, kasi ako
Kasi kailangan ko ng pera, kailangan ko ng work.
Hindi, i-ano mo kami, paano ka na...
Ito yun, di ba? Lumabas ako ng bahay ko.
Tapos kahit may opening ka nun.
Oo.
Tapos na-hire na siya.
Wow! And then,
So nalaman ko from a friend na meron silang opening for a position sa Pigan. So, ayun, diretso lang naman, nag-apply lang. And then, same employment process. Tapos, ayun, nakapasok naman, successfully. May ano pa nga yun eh, may humor part pa yun. Oo, may humor test pa, magsabi ka ng joke.
Ano yung joke mo sinabi?
Wala ko nasabi. Asa may performance anxiety.
Oh, wow.
Joke lang,
Sabi lang niya, knock knock.
Teka lang. So sorry. Let's pedal
joke lang. So may pinakita akong video na ginawa ko before.
Okay.
Na yung tungkol lang sa Titanic. Tapos, pwede bang Pwede bang wala na si Jing?
Wala, dito ni.
Next episode na lang siya.
Gising na rin yung mga bata. Uwi na. So, nagpakita ko ng video na ginawa ko before na parang yung sa Titanic. Yung sa part na, yung nasa pinto na dapat sa pinto. Si Rose, tapos si Jack. Parang, usually di ba parang may space lang doon. So parang wala lang, hulog lang si Jack. Parang gano'n, may space pa naman. Hindi siya nakakatawa ngayon, pero sa video nakakatawa siya.
Yun na yun!
Yun na yun. Wow!
Ang baba pa ng standards ng pigag. Pero may...
Ilan yung followers nyo? Burn. Labas!
Pero ang galing din. Pero ang galing kasi from dance, parang nalipat na...
Tsaka ang ganda ng transition from Jico, tapos biglang pumasok ka na nag-equate yung humor.
Pero kasi nilevel niya ako na sabi niya si Jico, tapos ako.
Pero balita ko na kasi ngayon, mas marami na natatawa sa'yo. Tingin mo,
umi-issue.
Hindi, may market din kasi.
may market kasi
Yeah,
siya.
sa wet and
Different markets din eh.
Yeah.
Si Jigo si ano, di ba?
Kasi
Shout out, Jico.
May sarili din kasi
Si
siya.
Erica may sariling market. Kasi ikaw, nagkaroon ka ng sariling market.
Ang happy lang ako kasi lahat ng kalokohan ko ngayon, bayad na.
Yun. Actually, i-add ko, parang yung character mo from the dance community. Not just walking as in dance. Parang nadala mo sa
Pero
piga.
sino si Christian Lau sa likod ng camera?
Yes! Ang galing ah.
Ang hirap kasi nasa harap ako ng camera ngayon.
Dito, boy!
Sa likod muna ako.
Baka muna daw.
Punta muna ako sa likod. Oh, igor siya.
Pero ano, different character ba? Behind the camera? Or same lang?
Same lang naman.
I think we can attest to that.
Ang boring mo pa yung tao.
Meron parang
Well, para sa ng ingay ko ito yung nagsasalba sa amin lagi ni James pag pauwi from the event. Kasi nakatulog na. Ako yung laging shotgun kasi ako na lang yung gising nakausap ni James. So nakakauwi kami ng safe dahil sa akin.
Yes. Kasi sobrang corny niya. Yes.
Pero at any event naman, nakasama ka, na parang may moment na pagod na lahat, gagano ka lang. So, something like ganun eh.
Yes.
Tapos magsa-start eh. So parang wala, 24/7, 7-Eleven, everything's
If yung
open.
career mo ngayon sa Tigag, mas may something na higher calling ka pa, tatanggapin mo ba siya?
Ano hair calling?
maging stand-up
Maging pastor. Mag-preach na ako. Ano?
Stand-up comedian pero
Or
pastor.
maging stand-up comedian ka.
Try mo, tayo ka. Stand-up comedian.
Wow! Binabara ko! Oh. Hindi pwede maano, sila producer nito eh. Di sa akin parang feeling ko, gym lang naman. Kasi parang right now, mas lumawak lang yung ways ko of entertaining people. Of making people have a good time, of making people laugh. So, even with the way I dance, it's not, I wouldn't say it na sobrang technically good or technical, but it's entertaining.
Intentional yun.
Kasi feeling ko it translates to people
Pag
more.
nangyari ba yun, okay na sa'yong hindi na bumalik sa dance?
Hindi mawawala ang dance sa akin. Kasi,
Yes.
like,
Supplementary question. What is another platform na gusto mong i-try to get into? in terms of-
OnlyFans?
Kaso walang OnlyFans dito.
Walang
But you know what
OnlyFans.
we do have here? Yung ano nila.
Coming soon.
To supplement, ano yung,
Yeah.
what's another platform na you want to parang get
Acting,
into?
pwedeng,
Acting,
movie.
o na yun, stand-up.
Yeah, I mean yung kung ano yung opportunities na dumating, feeling ko hindi naman ako kung magkakaroon ng movie, yes,
Hey.
to be part of it, or dati may time na nagtatry ako pumunta sa mga commercials. Pero parang, ang hirap kasi ng mga commercials, maraming rejections. Pero parang, okay, shit, baka I'm not good looking enough.
For
Or good looking period for the roles.
Yeah.
Pero nakukuha ko as a choreographer. Nakukuha ko as movement consultant,
coach. Yeah.
movement coach. So parang okay, baka hindi ako pangharap ng camera. But
Not yet.
with Tigag ngayon, like, parang mas na-realize na it's not that there are no it's not that I am not fit for any role. It's that there are no good roles yet.
For you.
For
So
me.
what role, if kunwari, kinuha ka for like a series, whatever that series would be.
Batang ampon na.
na hindi ka na
Tapos mapupunta ako sa TV Patrol, mababalita ako.
British accent.
It's, bro,
Tapos i-interviewin na kami ni Jessica Soho. Tapos ito yung nanay mo.
ikaw pala.
Oo, tapos yung nanay ko, dancing din.
Kasi di umano.
Shoutout pala sa nanay ko kasi ang sabi niya yung pangalan daw niya Bastos. Kasi yung pangalan niya, Dina Gilaw. So pag nabasa mo, Dina Galaw.
Dina Gilo.
Proud siya nagsabi ng joke na yan.
Maganda.
Hey.
Thumbs up, ma.
Nice one, tita.
Yes. But I think feeling ko, moving forward dun sa conversation, di ba? Na, like, right now, I'm exploring other venues also. Like, si James also. Starting from teaching yung mga students pa iba-iba. But now, you're doing a lot of private classes. And even pumapasok ka rin sa mga industry, even for concerts, things like that. Can you tell us more about that? Ang galing niyo sa akin. Ganon, my God. Ano ba?
James, anong platform gusto niyo ma-penetrate na hindi pa niya
Feeling ko po, one life, one prayer, kung gusto niyo po ako maging regular host. Go.
Why not?
Anong question ulit?
Sige.
Ito mo na sa amin, I'm very, very proud kasi of James right now. Like, di kasi, bihira kasi yung mga tao na no old connections, family connections, getting into the industry. But everything is hard work and organic connections talaga with people.
Pero what platform would you want to try to penetrate now? Na hindi. Hindi.
Aside from your...
Want to get into, and I think everything synonymous to that could be a joke. But yeah, anong platform
Gusto mo ma-reach.
na gusto mong
Honestly,
mapasukan?
gusto ko maging coach ng mga, gusto ko maging coach ng mga artista. Kasi usually, they're pushed to dance 'di ba? Every Sunday. Alam mo 'yun? Tapos, alam mong may discomfort or alam
Every
mong
Sunday?
they have meron silang concern na how do I look better, how do I dance like this, whatever. And usually lang, feel ko hindi siya usually nasasagot ng just by giving them choreo. So I want to be that bridge na ano yung kailangan mo, how do you want to look, or artists in general, like music artists. Gusto ko maging, to be honest, gusto ko maging name that na parang kailangan mo ng dance coach that can make you look cool, James Wong. Parang ganun.
If you could do that, sino yung artist na gusto mong mag-work?
Sarah G.
Sarah G!
Honestly.
Akala ko si Zaldi.
Gagawa natin paraan yan.
Yaman yun nun.
Gagawa natin paraan yan.
Blood
Ginagawa
control.
mo na siya di ba? Meds kay Paolo, kay Benjamin.
Yeah.
Tapos sa
yun-
Spit, di ba? Nagturo ka rin?
Yung Ben and Jerry's.
Sa Spit, nagturo ka din?
Spit, yeah. Pero all
Sino
of these
favorite mo
things.
naturuan ever?
Oh man, lahat sila iba eh.
Ayaw
Sabihin
pumili.
mo sa camera, sino
Showbiz.
oh my gosh, ito talaga, magaling yung grupo na to or magaling tong tao na to.
Pero kasi konti pa lang eh.
Like, sino?
So, mas madali bilangin. So, sino?
Sige, i-name natin sino-sino.
Name a favorite without any like hierarchy or priority thing. Just name one.
Siguro very, sa akin, si Pao, Benjamin. Yung isa sa Ben and Ben.
Ben.
Kasi,
Siya yung Ben sa Ben and Ben.
Oo. Siya yung isang,
No way!
kasi nakita ko yung TikTok niya and nakita ko, sadly, from the dance community, nakita ko binuli siya eh.
Oh, damn.
Paano pala
Talaga?
kanya nag-contact
Talaga?
yung dalawa?
Sobrang coincidental lang. And hindi siya coincidental. I would give credit to Ayo Marcos. Shout out.
Ayo!
So
Marcos.
nagsayaw kami for Gary V, diba? Tapos
Shout out sa'yo, Marcos.
nag-opening, isang number sila for Gary V, basically. Tapos gusto kong puntahan si Paolo, actually, to encourage him na, go, just keep dancing. Pero hiyang-hiya ako, so hindi ko sila pinuntahan. Sabi ni Iyo, kailangan nila ng choreo for this song. So, ako yung nirefer. So, oh my gosh, nag-contact kami. Sabi niya, uy, James, gusto niya mag-private class. No, private class kami. Tapos freestyler siya at Heart eh. So, sobrang
That's
nag-connect
so dope.
kami. Tapos yun, na-feel ko na parang I really wanted to show people how good this guy is. Especially the dance community na mayabang. Just saying. Kasi parang ang yabang ng dance community na porket nagtatry yung mga tao sa TikTok, parang parang binabash na.
Tama.
So kaya ako pinapost siya sa Instagram kasi you guys, kaya niya mag-house kaya niya mag-popping, kaya niya mag-waving. Ilang days lang yun. Parang yun. So for me, merong special place si
Ibig
Pao.
sabihin magaling ka din na teacher.
Oo, kung nagawa niya agad yun.
Hindi, obsessed din kasi ako in teaching. So medyo marami na akong natutunan how to teach. That's it.
Side story, si Pao actually, feel he doesn't remember me anymore, pero na-meet ko siya.
Kasi na naman niya.
Hindi mo klase.
Ay, di ba? Alala na kaklase mo.
Super layo namin ng age, Ben. Pero si Pao, before Ben and Ben became Ben and Ben.
Ikaw yung pangatlong Ben?
Oh no!
Ben and Jessie?
Hindi ba? Ben and Jeff?
Bakit tinanggal? Kasi it doesn't ring a bell.
So before nagka-Ben and Ben, as in super dati pa,
The bench
nagsistart pa lang si Pao sa music niya. Nakilala ko siya through people.
Yeah. Si Danny. Pala mo ha?
Sino?
So nakilala ko siya, and then at that gathering, parang in-introduce kasi ako as a dancer. Kasi at the time, established dancer na ako. So tapos tinanong niya ako, so
Anong year
anyway, 2014, 2015.
Di ba? Ano ba ginagawa ko noong 2014?
High school ako.
Nag-Naruto lang tayo sa inyo.
So anyway, so nagtanong siya sa akin like parang what like tips or like how are you able to continue your profession as a dancer hirap sa Philippines ganun, and he's a musician nga. So parang binigyan ko siya ng quick pep talk, tapos sabi ko, like parang feel ka naman if you really like it. Tapos years after that, nung nandun na siya, ako parang dang, so dope. Tapos nung nakita ko na tinuturuan siya ni James, wow, more dope.
Wow! Damn!
Tapos ngayon,
Yes! Damn!
Tapos ngayon,
Are you tired?
There must be a better way.
Tapos ngayon, pinag-usapan natin siya dito sa Balls Deep. So feel ko, it would be nice na maging guest din natin ang Ben and Ben kasi we want to dive into the music rin eh.
Ano yung dive?
Ganun.
I just wanna say din, kaya hindi ako makapili. Kaya gusto ko din yung Spit. Shoutout to Spit Manila.
Baka pwede rin natin sila
Di ba sila
i-guess.
sa Ariel yan?
Yes, yes.
Galing na rin
So,
gusto ko rin sila i-guess.
Sobrang saya kasi. So, naging si...
Sige, try natin.
Sa Ariel. Sila may si Mara Mara. Prof ko.
Tara, invite natin.
So, teachers din kasi sila.
Yeah.
So, ang sarap
Sa
ng
Ateneo,
feeling
yung
na
dalawa.
nagko-connect kami kahit yung tinuturo ko sa nila. Ito yung malupit dun eh. So, improv sila, di ba? Pero ang tinuturo ko sa nila, choreo. So, parang sobrang bagong world sa kanila. Tapos sabi ko rin sa kanila, freestyle tinuturo ko. So, for me, every time na natuturo ako, napupush ako. So, sinasabi ko talaga sa every time na may request kayo sa akin na choreo, ang saya ko kasi napupush talaga ako. Tapos, comedian sila, di ba? Pag napapatawa ko sila, oh my gosh, ang saya. Patawa ko yung napagpatawa sa'yo.
Oo.
Solid.
The
O, try
affirmation.
natin, baka makagawa tayo ng parang segment sa kanila.
Yeah.
Diba?
Well, yung isa
Collab
doon.
natin.
Yung isa doon si Missy Mara Mara. Prof ko siya.
Oo.
Yes!
At saka, siya yung reason kung ba't ako nag-host in the first place.
Hey, shout out.
Siya yung nag-
Sige, mamaya, message natin siya.
Sure.
We follow each other.
Ngayon na.
I can also
Sige,
message,
message
hey ma'am,
natin siya mamaya.
would you be G?
Oo, message natin.
Nakaka-humble lang talaga. Kasi yun nga, parang
Sigurado.
you look up to them and you get entertained. And then when you teach them, sobrang humble, tas biglang magtatawan. Tas same kami ng humor, so parang ako sa
Tapos pag sila na-entertain sa'yo, parang,
may inner a validation na, ay, funny pala ako.
baka pwede ka na rin magpigad.
Papasa.
Hindi ko po hawak ang employment. Mag-send lang po kayo ng resume. Resume.
Spell resume.
Hindi ko na alam.
Reg?
ng documents.
May documents, mas mahaba.
Sa docs.
ChatGPT. Spell.
Yung wag ka naman yung
Anyway.
kasama natin AI dito.
Tanungin natin yung AI.
Yung kasama natin yung AI.
Tanungin natin yung AI.
Gumagalaw po ito. Mukha lang siyang AI. Pero ipaprompt nyo lang yan. Nagsasalita yan. May isa lang akong gustong ipasok na topic kanina. Kasi you were mentioned kanina about dun sa yung usapan ng mga TikTok and how dancers were very, very quick to bash people dancing on TikTok. So parang for me, sa akin lang, very hypocritical lang when dancers bash people doing TikTok dances. Assuming muna na like parang yung mga generic people just doing dance covers, whatever. Ihiwalay natin yung mga tao na tipong mga nagja-judge or whatever, ibang usapan yun. But like yung mga tao lang na sumasayaw on TikTok just to have fun. Considering na lagi natin sinasabi na dance should be shared to people.
Peace, love, unity.
Peace, love, unity, having funds. Fun. Diba? So parang for dancers to make fun of people doing TikTok dances, yun yung sayaw na masarap sa kanila Yun yung sayaw na masaya sa kanila. Even yung sinasabi nilang TikTok music, yun yung masaya sa kanilang gawin
So you all started there.
Diba?
You all started trying something.
Yun yung dance sa kanila na walang judgment Yun yung dance na walang pake sa kanila. It may not be the same intention.
Diba? Yun yung gusto nila
But yun yung gusto, exactly.
But suddenly, nagkaroon ng standard na parang, dapat ganito yung dance. Dapat ganito yung...
Mag-start ka, ganito agad.
Or huwag ka magpapakita ng TikTok dance dito sa harap namin. Parang mga gano'n.
Parang dapat, hindi mo masasabing dancer ka pag...
dancers, mga OG. Or yung mga may credentials na sa dance.
To be honest, may gano'n din akong mindset before. Like coming from someone na community dancer, culture dancer, then here comes TikTok bringing all these people. But then, when you step back, it's all just dance. People don't care.
Most of the time, the pioneers, OGs, and veterans, actually, most of the time sila yung na-chill na parang,
sila yung mas welcoming
Diba? It's dance. Why are we stopping people to
dance? Ito pa yun
we're
all guests of this culture. Diba? It's weird na mag-gatekeep tayo, pero tayo mismo guests tayo. Hello!
Exactly.
Stop gatekeeping. You know who you are.
Ibang usapan yung mga ibang usapan yung mga taong sumasayaw sa TikTok tapos nag-enjoy.
Para bumatin ulit. I-call out mo yung mga...
They have to earn it though. They have to earn it first.
So in short, wala pa rin silang credentials.
Pwede ako mag-know Yeah. Kunwari ko call out niya ako, whoever that is. Mag-battle ka muna ng 10 mga ganyan.
Pero what do you guys think about, kunyari, yung mga TikTok dances or mga TikTok na choreographers in general? May ganun ba? May TikTok na choreographer na pang TikTok lang,
naging niche siya. Naging its own thing na siya.
Does that affect yung kabuhayan, kunyari, ng kunyari, si isang choreographer na galing community talaga and he poured all his work sa community. Ganyan.
Like
tapos biglang, this TikTok choreographer biglang nagpa-class and then he has 120 students, ganyan, blah, blah, blah. Tapos ito si hardworking choreographer na nasa community all this time, biglang parang, ba't ganyan mo umatin sa akin? Tapos biglang all of a sudden, this choreographer na galing TikTok, biglang, boom, out of nowhere, business, ganyan.
Okay.
So, what do you think?
What's the question?
Like, your thoughts on that one?
Your thoughts on that.
Reality.
Sige, I'll start it with by saying na, well, number one, there's always going to be a change in how we develop your market and develop platforms. Kasi whether we like it or not, technology does evolve. And TikTok is part of those platforms and how people maximize those. Like, I'll be real. I don't use TikTok that much. Why?
I don't
use TikTok too.
I don't use.
Yung ginagamit yun.
Walang D pero may R. I don't use.
Pre, tangin na pre. Sorry. Cut nyo yun. So, hindi ko siyang ginagamit yung TikTok. Mainly because number one, wala ko masyadong time or patience to make content on the regular. Pero, alam ko that it is a marketing tool that will get more people to take my classes. So, if I'm going to teach a class and parang, I don't have 100 students like the other people who do their thing on TikTok. Like, that's just not being in the context of what's happening now. So, when pag magpapaklase ako, tas kahit mga 5, 8 lang pumunta, all good. You know, I'm gonna teach what I'm gonna teach. I'm gonna teach what I'm gonna teach.
I don't use.
Pero, alam mo yun, parang be, na lang, have grasp on reality.
Yeah.
Kung gusto mo maging sikat, then, okay, wait lang, sorry. So, feel ko as responsible ka rin din with the platform. Kasi, I'm sure may konting nuance din. And, maybe with some people who are, let's say, not in the community, big TikTok stars, but are poor in, like, technique or so. may lopside din yung downside na parang, wait a minute, this person is also not healthy for some movements in the scene. So, meron siyang case to case. Kasi kung hindi positive yung ginagawa niya, super dami yung followers.
Kasi may influence na siya
Yun eh. It's about the influence eh. But if we're just talking about marketing and getting more people in studios, that's just a marketing evolution, you know? Parang,
True.
Okay, si Desi pala yung totoo nating guest dito eh.
Ano rin kasi sa akin naman, just because you're working hard, it doesn't mean you're marketable. Unfortunately.
Okay.
Like,
Nice.
if you want to talk about being marketable, that's business side na kasi. So,
Yeah.
some people don't care how many years you've put in.
That's true. No, that's true. Yeah.
Kasi what they'll wait for is yung output mo.
Or
Diba?
if you are beneficial to them, basically.
If you're beneficial to them. Kasi, at the end of the day, that's their business.
Yeah.
Diba?
True.
So, hopefully, if you really put in the years of hard work, ganyan, you'll be able to make something sana that resonates with
Right.
the right market, the right people. Kasi if it doesn't, why would the brand get you?
Right.
Diba? And it doesn't have to be like, we're not just talking about dance here. It can be other art forms. Diba?
across the field.
Kasi wala namang problema like if you're just dancing for your own, teaching
Yeah.
dances on my own sa mga students or whatever. But
Yeah.
if you really want to get clients or whatever, then you need to put your work out there and like hopefully it's resonating to other people. Yun yung value na meron sa mga taong gumagawa ng choreo for TikTok. Because it's very easy, it's supposed to be repeated.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to be easy for people to just do on their own. Plus, the music is shareable. Yun yung problema sa mga dancers, di ba? But, ganun siya. Ibang topic na, I guess, for me, kunyari kapag gagawa ka na ng paid class,
Iba na yan.
tapos ang ituturo mo is TikTok,
Yeah.
di ba? Yun yung medyo masakit pa sa akin, tanggapin. But then, dance, wala naman tayo parang formal way of really stopping people
True.
True.
from stopping to
oo.
teach that dance.
Magiging question na lang siya of
Integrity.
integrity.
Or
and
what
quality.
what is yung
Integrity and quality.
standards?
Yes. Kasi wala tayong legal way to stop them eh. Ano naman yun, kung magturo siya ng TikTok dance tapos may umattend sa class niya. Wala tayong magagawa doon. Di ba?
Ano though, quick example lang of like changing and growth of like the market and whatnot. Zumba. When Zumba started, si Prince. So Prince is the Zumba king.
Yes.
Zumba king.
The Prince of Zumba. When it started mga 2010 here in the Philippines, 2011, nung Groove Jacks pa kami. Tapos siya yung parang pina-certify to teach. Admittedly naman sabi niya corny yan siya. Parang, what is this? It's not real hip-hop, ganun.
Paano yung real hop? Real hip-hop. Yung pala yung hip-hop ngayon.
Hug yan, hug.
You're killing hip.
Yes.
Oh, dang. Peace, love, unity, fun.
Yes.
Real hip-hop. Yan. And hate! Na joke lang.
Yes.
Yan yung nangyari online. So, yun,
Yeah,
diba?
fine.
Si Prince ngayon, super, hip-hop. Zumba, big market,
Yeah.
crazy. So, that's an example.
Pero ano rin yun like, not all markets kasi are the same. So, you just have to find your right market. So, like for example, if the way of your dance is something na mas intimate or mas deep or mas intricate.
Yeah.
Hindi siya yung parang for pop culture or something.
Yeah,
Then, there's-
Robert stuff.
Yeah.
There are people for that.
Right.
May market for that.
Yeah.
But if it's something na mas pop culture, mas commercial,
Communal. Yeah.
di ba? Yun yung may market for that also. But you just need to find the right people for all of that.
For me, yun din yung, personally, yun din yung sinashare ko kasi I have this program, Unlock Teachers Camp, where we talk about rating and then if you want to start to teach, ano yung mga concerns mo. It's easy to, nabasa ko lang sa book, it's easy to make a really good poster and to expect people to come to your class kasi, si James, yan man. Pero I almost quit dancing because wala talaga eh. No matter how good your content is, no matter how much you know you can help people, ang nabasa ko lang is the best way to get sure students is to look for people who are looking for you. So,
Yes.
the first thing you can do, yung sabi ni Christian natin, post mo ano yung ginagawa mo. Gaano ka kagaling, ano yung mga kaya mong sayawin. That's how people, gusto ko magsayaw ng ganyan. And then, if you have like at least 3 or at least 2 or 1 that you know people, parang feel ko gusto niya matuto sa akin, gusto niya matuto. You message them, sobrang simple lang. Uy, gagawa ako ng ganito, gusto mo ba? And then, most likely, meron niyang, yes, actually, gusto ko, coach, hindi ko alam saan maghanap eh. Like, to be honest, like, yung private classes, it wasn't a thing before, right? Or yung progressive classes. But because I strayed from walk-in classes, my wife told me, ano ba talaga gusto mong gawin? Sabi ko, gusto ko mag... Medyo, hindi kasi pakwit na ako eh. Pakwit na ako ng dance nito. Ayoko na magturo kasi walang, nakaka-discourage, walang students eh.
Nandun yung quit button.
Oo.
Tapos siniki gumanon siya. Anong gusto mong gawin?
Tapos ano po yun, like, minsan nakaka-frustrate din talaga na yung parang yung, wow! Wow!
Oh my gosh.
Someone's balls went very deep.
Oo, natanggal siya.
How deep can you get?
So, quotable quote from sa sinabi ni James. Look for those who are looking for you. So,
Maganda.
uy! Kasi you're looking at
Parang pag nawawan ka na sa SM yan eh.
Oo nga eh.
Di ba?
Or kailangan mo hanapin yung tamang market. Market
sa
ba?
market.
SM?
Sa market.
SM ba?
Low-hanging fruit.
SM Aura?
Mga joke ito.
Tama.
Glorieta? So yun yung quotable quote. Look for people who are looking for you.
And you can actually create accidentally your own market. Pwedeng people haven't seen something yet. When you create it, parang, yes, finally, meron ng offer na ganito. So,
Tama.
pwedeng mag-start siya ng ganito.
Which is actually going to be a big topic in our next episode, which is education, dance classes, and everything alike.
So,
Like
with
dance
that,
programs.
Yeah.
Intensive.
Programming and
So,
dance.
tune in sa next.
Tune in to our next episode.
Can you guys say balls deep? How deep can you get?
Balls deep!
Yeah.
How deep can we get? Balls deep.